Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys 3 new codes that you can input on Dress to Impress. So there are 3 codes. For this, select the code setting code icon. You're going to type in Dior Star, which is D1ORST4R. Press the checkmark button and you'll get this bag and a bow. For the second one, you have this one. You're just going to type in UMOYAE and you get this dress. Here, I'll put this on while we wait. And then for the third one, we have this one, which gives you like a sword kind of, which is S3M0, S3M underscore 0 or O, I think it's an O, W3N underscore Y4Y. And I'll put these in the description box down below. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.